So these are the things you're gonna need. The first thing you're gonna need is a clipboard. The second thing you're gonna need is 2 pens, okay? And it could be any type of clipboard or a table which you can practice on. But with a clipboard, you can practice on your bed. The first thing you're gonna need to know about pen tapping is the bump. Just hitting right here. It hurts, but you get used to it after. Tap. Just practice. Just one hand. Slap. Bring it back up. Slap. Bring it back up. Just keep practicing that. You're going to be doing that a lot. It's fast motion. And all together. And then you just make a beat. And then with your other one, I just usually just do this. And just do random stuff. Okay, then for teaching how to Dougie, there's this thingy, which I don't know what it's called. You can call it whatever you want. And you just do the bump. Pen tap slowly on this. So yeah, that's pretty much all you need to know. If you have any questions on how to pen tap or anything you're having trouble with, just message me and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So I hope you guys liked the video, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. So thanks for watching.